Wala pa tong lyrics kasi di pa to nasusulatan.
Kahit na ano namang ilagay mo, papasok yan.
Meron lang akong surprise sa'yo at ayokong mawala ang friendship mo.
Tsang ano naman ang kinagalit ko.
Girlfriend ko ng ex-boyfriend mo.
Awkward to.
Boyfriend mo ng ex-boyfriend niya. Ng ex-boyfriend niya.
Better recollect my thoughts,
Ang gala.
para ba ito nangyari? Sa dami ng isda sa dagat, bakit siya pang iyong napili?
Para teka lang, hindi siya fish.
Just a figure of speech.
I resent kasi your idiom. Girlfriend ko ng ex-boyfriend mo.
Teka lang, medyo awkward to.
Boyfriend na niyang ex-boyfriend mo. Sa'yo na lang ex-boyfriend niya. Boyfriend na lang ex-boyfriend mo.
Teka lang, medyo awkward to.
Boyfriend mo ng ex-boyfriend mo. Kaya sa'yo na lang ex-boyfriend mo. Yeah, je m'appelle Claude, that's French. And then random Spanish words by Antonio Banderas. Yeah, when Edgar and Cancina had 69 margaritas. Yeah, I was there. Shorty had a familiar face and it was on his neck. His hands on her waist trying to restrain her, but yeah, she was having her way. And she took a ride in the spaceship in the basement. Wait, blame it on the alcohol, cause something lyrical is out of control. Yeah, the sex, it was random, yo. It's a small world after all. Right now, well, it's about your girl. Ain't nothing about ego, it's about your girl, yo. It's about your girl. Ain't nothing about ego, so woo! Ganti ah. 1, 2, 3, and girlfriend ko lang, ex-girlfriend mo.
Teka lang, medyo awkward to.
Girlfriend ko lang, ex-girlfriend mo. At sa'yo na lang, ex-girlfriend ko. Girlfriend ko lang, ex-boyfriend mo.
Ang gulo.
Boyfriend na yan, ex-girlfriend niya. Sa'yo na lang. Maybe one day we'll be Mars again. Hi, Mars. May sense yun somehow.